So as long as you're subscribed to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, Microsoft's cloud gaming service is available basically everywhere for you, including phones, tablets, portable handhelds, and PCs. It's also available on smart TVs and monitors, which should be the most ideal medium to play it on, considering that you really just need to turn on your controller and play. But at the moment, it's very selectively available on Samsung's newest smart TVs and monitors starting from 2021. Even though I've personally covered cloud gaming pretty extensively on this channel, I haven't been able to try it out myself on a smart TV because I didn't have a recent Samsung model. But we very recently changed that in this house, as I now have a Samsung M5 Series 32-inch smart monitor. It's not a super crazy monitor, it's just got a 60Hz refresh rate, no USB-C, and at its size, it's fairly low res at 1080p. The thing going for it though is that it's like a smaller smart TV for your desk with all the entertainment apps you need and works really well wirelessly with your Samsung devices. And most importantly, it's got Game Pass, and I've been playing it on here pretty extensively in the past couple of weeks. So how's it been, and would I recommend getting a new Samsung TV or monitor just for cloud gaming? Let's talk about that after I tell you about our sponsor for this video, WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe. If you edit videos for professional work, casual family videos, or if you're a small creator like me, this software can be a lifesaver. Maybe you already experienced this, or if you didn't, you will someday. You'll occasionally shoot in a video format that isn't quite compatible with your editing software, or you have some external footage that's in an unsupported video format. In situations like that, this software is definitely something you should have on hand. With WinX Video Converter, you can easily convert, compress, and edit videos. To convert a video, simply add the file, select the output format, and hit run. Wait a few seconds, and that's it. The conversion is super fast and the quality remains intact. If you need to reduce the file size of your video, you can change your video parameters or select a format with a higher compression rate. The video will be compressed without sacrificing quality. It's that easy. Now you don't have to have a bad editing night if you accidentally shot in the wrong format or you're running out of space on your internal SSD. But the best part is, if you're interested in this, you can join WinX's giveaway to get it for free. WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe is a must-have for all video enthusiasts, so definitely click the link and check it out yourself. Getting set up with Game Pass on this smart monitor was super simple. I did make a video in 2021 of how you can play Game Pass on any TV using your phone and an HDMI cable, but that was more of a hack, so this is definitely more ideal. All you need to do is download the Game Pass app from the Smart Hub, launch the app, log in, or just do a simple QR code login through your phone, connect your Xbox controller via Bluetooth, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to play, turn on your TV and just turn on your controller. You can even navigate throughout the Smart Hub UI using the controller, then you open Game Pass, launch your game, and now you're playing. So simple. You just need your TV and a controller. Such an easy user experience compared to playing Game Pass on any other device. I love it. Plus, the UI is almost the same as a web app or the Windows app, so it's a very familiar experience for subscribers. Now, what about gameplay? As you all know, since this is cloud game streaming, performance is going to be based on your network speed and consistency. Just as a background, I'm currently subscribed to a 500 megabit internet plan here in South Korea, and this is what I'm currently getting down and up. Microsoft recommends a wired or at least a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection with 20 megabits down, so this definitely meets the requirement. The performance here is almost identical with all my other devices running Xbox Cloud Gaming. There's no definitive disparity in frame rate or input lag just because it's a TV. On other devices like my MacBook or Android iOS phones, I've always experienced a few rare connection issues here and there, maybe around 5% of the time, leading to some artifacting and lag for a few seconds. However, I experienced less of that on this smart monitor, and the picture and audio quality have been very consistent. I don't have a technical explanation for this, but it's been a slightly more stable experience here. The only con I will mention to this experience is that since Xbox Cloud Gaming is blown up on a 32-inch monitor, the visuals don't look quite as impressive as it did on my phone or laptop since the PPI is much lower here. With all that said, here's some gameplay so you can see and judge for yourself.
Check the storm! What's she gonna left there? going on?
If you're sort of invested in cloud gaming through Game Pass, you don't have a console or gaming PC, and you're in the market for a new monitor or TV, I actually do recommend getting one of these Samsung Smart TVs or monitors. It's so nice to just come home, get a big display without having to plug in a separate system or attach a controller to your phone. Because of this new experience in cloud gaming in general, I don't get hyped up by new consoles or graphics cards because I really don't need it. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're planning on getting one of these smart TVs, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, or if you're already doing this, I'd love to know your thoughts on it. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys on the next video.